Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about UDP header. So in last video session, I am explained about TCP concept. So in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about UDP header. So this is the UDP header. So when compared to TCP header, UDP header is very simple and easy. So we can see. So 16-bit source port number and 16-bit destination port number. So the source port number and destination port number almost same like TCP. So this port number indicates in transport layer which application layer protocol we are going to use. So through the port number only we can identify which application layer protocol we are using. So for that reason we are using source port number and destination port number. So here 16-bit, so 2 power 16 means the range should be 0 to 65,535. So in that 0 to 1023 well-known port number is predefined, and 1024 to 49,151 is a registered port number, and 49,152 to 65,535 dynamic port number. So the dynamic port number is locally generated in our system. So next to one 16-bit UDP length. So this 16-bit UDP length indicates the whole length of the datagram, which includes header and data. So in TCP header we have additional option field is there, but in UDP there is no additional option field is there. Only fixed UDP header is 8 bytes. So if you are sending any datagram without data, so there should be an 8 bytes minimum because of UDP header. So next one 16-bit UDP checksum. So this is used to check the header and data, any error is there or not. So rest of the thing is data. Okay, so for UDP, this is an overview of UDP. So the UDP is operates on the transport layer of the OSI model. So in OSI model layer 4, the UDP is operates. Next one is a connectionless protocol, does not set up a connection. So in TCP, if you want to send data, we have to establish a session. So for that reason we are using three-way handshake, but UDP there is no connectionless, there is no connection, just we can send the data, that's it. Next one limited error correction, because we have checksum. So in TCP there is an error correction, flow control, and if there is any data is lost means we have to retransmit the data, but in UDP there is nothing is there, just sender can send the data and that's it, where either they can receive it or not, they don't know about the status. Next one best effort or unreliable protocol. So unreliable protocol means in TCP is a reliable protocol, each and every data if you are sending we will get an acknowledgement, so that should be reliable. But in UDP we don't get any acknowledgement, just normally sending the data, that's it. Next one, no data recovery feature. So in UDP, if there is any data is lost means we cannot recover that data. So because mainly UDP is used for voice and video conferencing. So this is the UDP header I captured in Wireshark. So here we can see source port number, destination port number, and length and checksum. So I captured some file, some packets in Wireshark. So while I am speaking on call with Zoom, so that time I capture that time I captured this packet. So just we can go through that packet. So 3.130.14.170. So this is the source IP, and 192.168.100. This is my private IP. So here I am using UDP protocol. So this is the length of the whole packet. So source port number is 8801. This indicates the register port number. So the server registered this port number, and 58,590 is my user dynamic port number. In my system it generated this port. So for an example, if I'm clicking on packet, so here the length 297 indicates in UDP datagram I am sending 297 bytes of data. So for an example, if I'm clicking the data, so just come to the user datagram protocol. So source port number is 58 58,589 and destination port number is 8,801. Here the length indicates the 305 bytes, so it includes both header and data. So in UDP header is fixed 8 bytes. So here we can see here length showing 297, so 297 bytes of data in the datagram we are sending, and here the length indicates 305. So 297 plus 8 bytes of header, so totally 305. So next one, checksum for error checking in header as well as data. So everything is good, that's why it's showing correct. So rest is a data. Here we can see 297 bytes. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. So I hope you can understand the UDP concept, UDP header. In case if you have any query, so please ping me in the below comment section. I will reply to your query. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.